This yam porridge is so good and I hope you will love it. So watch till the end to see how I made this. Hello lovelies, let's get started.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
First you want to peel your yam and cut into cubes. Once I'm done, I will wash really well, transfer in my pot and cook on a medium heat.
Delicious. This food is yummy, yummy.
Meanwhile, I'll prep my other ingredients. I've got some garlic, onions, and bell peppers. I will be using minced meat. Now I'm going to chop my garlic, onions, and bell peppers and set aside. To make the sauce for my yam, in a pot I'll add little amount of vegetable oil, allow to heat up. Next I'll add my chopped onions, curry leaves, mix and allow to fry for a while. Next I'll add my minced meat, add seasoning cubes, salt and paprika powder. Mix very well to combine and allow to cook for a while. Next I'll add my bell peppers. Mix and transfer in my pot of yam. Now I'm going to gently mix, cover and allow to cook for 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat. 5 minutes later, I check on it and add my cornstarch slurry. You guys, this will help to achieve that lush texture. I will gently stir, cover and allow to cook for 3 minutes and it's ready. This meal will melt in your mouth. It's so delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.